So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can publish a your personal website using Google Sites. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser, you can do the same steps from your smartphones as well. Now, just simply go to this website, which is sites.google.com. Just simply go over there and wait for the site to respond. Once you go over there, just simply start a new site or open the site on which you are working on. For example, let's just start by creating a new site, and let's just make some changes. Let me just quickly make some changes, and once I'm done here, you're gonna find on the top right corner which is publish. Once I click there, it will ask you me to provide a customized web address that is available for you, so it will assign that address or it will pick one by itself, and just simply hit published and your site has been published. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.